Should her plan to run for president pushes through and she wins, Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte reportedly wants to start on a clean slate. According to a source of Politico, Sara doesn't plan on working with any of the members of President Rodrigo Duterte's cabinet. Politico source said Sara supposedly made it known that all cabinet secretaries must go and have no chance of coming back because many of them are close to Senator Bong Go and her father's longtime partner, Cielito Honeylet Avanceña. There's long been talk about the rumored frosty relations between Sara and Go. Go worked as Duterte's aide for 2 decades before he won as senator in the 2019 elections. Sara is widely believed to be running for president in 2022 under her own political party, HNP or Hugpong ng Pagbabago.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.